This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and creating a reliable backup. This prevents loss if something goes wrong. Once backed up, free at least 10 to 20% of storage so the system can cache and update smoothly. Next, install any pending system and app updates to patch vulnerabilities and improve performance. Make sure to use a stable Wi-Fi connection and charge above 50%. These steps set a safe baseline before deeper maintenance tasks. Now you move into deeper cleanup and optimization to extend battery life and responsiveness. Start by auditing apps, check battery usage, revoke unnecessary permissions, and restrict background activity for power-hungry apps. Then clear caches and delete redundant large files using the Files app or storage settings, which speeds app launches. Also review accounts and sync settings. Removing unused accounts and increasing sync intervals reduces network wake-ups. Together, these targeted actions reduce bloat and keep the phone running efficiently. Finish by running quick diagnostics. Check storage health, battery condition, and run a security scan so you catch lingering issues. Then establish a routine, weekly cache clear, monthly backup, and immediate updates to prevent recurrence. If you encounter persistent freezes or app crashes, reboot into safe mode to isolate problems and uninstall recent apps. If problems persist, perform a factory reset after confirming your backup. These final checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.